Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevy Impala and I will show you how to remove and replace this complete dash trim bezel, which comes with 4 vents and one here, and it comes with this info control switch. This video will apply to Chevy Impalas made from 2006 all the way up to 2013 and Chevy Impala Limited made from 2014 to 2016. Okay, now first, before I start removing this dash trim bezel, I will show you my replacement one. So I got it from a local car salvage, and that's your best bet. I paid this only like 15 or 10 bucks, something like that. If you go with a brand new one, you will pay a small fortune. Your other option is trying to find one on eBay or somewhere online, a used one, but again it's gonna be probably at least around 100 bucks plus shipping. So like I said, if there is like a local car salvage or a wreckage, just go there and follow the instructions I will show you in this video. Remove it by yourself and then install it on your vehicle, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so to start, first you can remove this small side panel. Now the best tool to use would be something like this, a plastic trim remover. If you don't have one, you can use just a flat screwdriver, but in that case you have to be careful not to scratch your dashboard. So this piece pretty much just pops out. It is held by a couple of plastic fasteners, so just want to pry it off. Okay, just like that, see? And once you have removed it, you will have a 7mm screw to remove right here. Okay, so once that screw is out, next thing you want to do, you actually want to lower the steering wheel all the way down, which will get you more access to 2 screws which are just down here. So to lower the steering wheel, there is a lever which you have to pull and then just adjust the steering wheel height. And now you will get access again to 2 7mm screws, one here and one just here. Okay, so once you have these 2 screws out, now you want to start popping out this trim piece. It's gonna be held again by a couple of plastic fasteners, so you can pretty much release this left side and then you'll move to the right side. So again, use your plastic trim remover or your flat screwdriver, whatever you have. Okay, so I will continue working with the flat screwdriver. I couldn't squeeze my plastic trim remover in, so this is the idea. I just want to pry it out, just like this, you see? You will do the same thing on this side here. Once that is done, all this should be nice and loose on this side, and now you want to proceed to the passenger side. So open the passenger door and you will also have to remove that side panel and the screw holding it. Okay. This, and again remove this screw. It's again 7mm. Okay, so once this screw is out, there is no more screws holding this piece, so just want to start pulling it gently towards yourself to release all of those plastic fastener pins. Just like that, you see? And that's it. It's pretty much ready to be removed. Only thing left to do is disconnect this switch right here. To disconnect the switch, you will have like a small black tab which you have to press just down here, you see? So you want to press it and just pull it out, just like that. And that's pretty much everything. This is how you can remove this dash trim bezel. Very easy to do. Okay, what I will also show you, unfortunately, these vents are kind of welded to this bezel, you know, so if you're planning to replace just these pieces, you can't really do it without breaking it, unfortunately. Only other option is, if you need to replace it, you have to re-weld it once you install it back in place. But like I said, this whole piece is just like 10-15 bucks at a salvage, so just get it and don't waste your time on trying to fix it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.